welcome to my channel, where science, technology, engineering, and math are made easy. Today I'm going to be doing a Python tutorial where I cover how to make a simple chatbot. Without further ado, let us begin. So in order to make a chatbot, it requires two functions, the print function and the input function. I'm going to start with the print function. Now, the first thing any programmer learns, whether it's in the Python programming language or JavaScript or C, is how to print something. So we're going to start off with the most basic baby steps, the first thing anybody ever learns. Print hello world. So I use the print function, then I put in parentheses and in quotation marks, hello world. Now what this basically does is exactly as it describes. It prints hello world. It prints anything that's inside the parentheses and quotation marks. So I could print you only live once or YOLO. So I put in print, I put in the parentheses, I put in the quotation marks, and I bring in YOLO, you only live once, and it prints YOLO. Now the input function is very simple, but it's a bit more complicated. So suppose I'm working with color. So if color, and I set it equal to input. You notice this is different. The print function prints what's in between the parentheses and the quotation marks. Here, it allows you to put in an input. So I'm going to put red for color. I had to click enter. So I'm going to try it again with color 2. I set it equal to the input. This time, I'm going to write my favorite color is. So it's somewhat similar to the print function. You have the quotation marks and the parentheses, and it prints that, and I'll show it to you. So this is for the first one, color equals input. I'm going to put red. And you notice how it prints, this is printed down here. So it's similar to the print function. And what you're doing here is you're assigning the variable. Now a variable is where you store value in. So here the variable is color, a value, and the value is the input function. So variables store value, like the variable color2 stores the value input and the what's in between the parentheses and quotation marks. So when you combine the print function and the input function, you get a chatbot. So I'm going to start off with the print function. Print, what is your favorite animal? Then we're going to have favorite animal equals input. My favorite animal is. So let's test this out. So it prints out what is your favorite animal, and my favorite animal is, I'm going to put a cat. So let's add to this. So I'm going to once again bring in the print function. Me too. Another print. Now what is your least favorite animal? Now we're going to have the least favorite animal for the input. So let's go over it again. So it prints, what is your favorite animal? And it also prints, my favorite animal is, and you have to put an input in, so it's a cat. And then it prints me too. And then it prints, now what is your least favorite animal? We have to put an input here. So let's restart. It's the same thing. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. Me too. Now, what is your least favorite animal? My least favorite animal is a pig because they are smelly. And that's really all there is to it. You're using basic print and input functions and putting them together to create a simple chatbot. And and that's all I really have for you today, folks. Please tell me how I can improve my channel, and please click on the link in the description of this video to go to my website. I'm still working on it, so it's still very new, so thank you very much. Have a great day.